Hey there! So let's talk about a problem that many tmux users might face. The issue at hand involves generating a dynamic configuration file for tmux, specifically focusing on the default command option. The goal is to create a bashrc configuration file each time a particular tmux session is started, alongside using the user's default tmux configuration file. The challenge arises when trying to ensure that the default command option persists across sessions. Sounds complex, right? Now, let's delve into the solution for this dilemma. Understanding that tmux server and client are separate processes is key. The .tmux.conf file is meant for the server, not the clients. The F flag used to specify an alternative configuration file is also for the server. When running tmux commands, the F flag matters for the initial command that starts a server. Subsequent commands will find the existing server, making the F flag irrelevant. Remember, tmux loads configuration files when the server process starts, and the source file command can be used to load a file later. Additionally, defining global session options, like default command, requires using tmux showg command to view them. In summary, ensuring that the default command option persists in tmux involves understanding the separation between server and client processes. Remember to consider when the server starts and how subsequent commands interact with it. By grasping these concepts, you can effectively manage your tmux configurations. So with that, I hope this explanation sheds light on your tmux configuration challenges. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a witty comment below.